forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start with the handbags. Look at this. Isn't this cute? It's a Carl bag. $79.99. I do like this checkered Carl bag. I think that's really cute. This one is $69.99. Look at these super cute, juicy gift sets. These will be great for holiday gifts. It comes with a small, fluffy tote. How much this is? These are $34.99. Oh my God, $34.99. That is a steal. It has a little cute coin bag. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to get this myself. Oh, here's another one. So cute. Okay, it's like a different color. It's cute. And then you cannot say that it's not adorable. I love these little small handbags. This is $24.99. The gift set also comes in black. Oh my God, that is so cute. I'm thinking about getting the pink one though. Put it in the basket just in case. This is a cute little brush set here with a winter theme. $7.99. This is a cute little True Religion bag. It does have a longer strap that can be extended. I think it's really cute. This is $34.99. Okay, so all my Kate Spade girlies, look at this cute fall Kate Spade bag. This bag is $149.99. That is a steal for Kate Spade. It's really soft, really nice material. And it has like a center zipper with 2 divided pockets. So a good amount of space. The Carl bag also comes in black. Here's another Kate Spade all black for $129. This one is just like a quirkers. So it's like a no dividers, but $129.99. Ooh, look at this juicy. This is cute. I love the stones. It's like a medium size. It's cute. I like it. I'm saying a lot of juicy today, guys, but this is a cute clear bag. It looks like it comes with a wallet and another little sling inside. I can't unzip it, but that is so cute. It's $34.99 as well. So they have out all of the scarves and beanies because it's about to get really cold. Today is actually muggy and like a rainy day. Look at that, guys. That's cute. The ho-ho-ho. And the Christmas bows. Look at the iced out reindeer though. Oh my God, that's cute. The little gingerbread girl. The lighting is not that great because there's light in the case, but they have the Christmas lights over here. That's a cute bracelet for a teacher. It's like a pencil with Christmas theme. It's a cute little Minnie Mouse palette. It's $4, pretty cheap. I can't see the colors though. So I have this grease theme palette. Here are the colors. They're okay. Holiday theme Shrek set. Let's see. This is a lip gloss and eyeshadow. This is $12.99. Now that is definitely unique for $12.99. I might need to go back to doing makeup videos and buying some of these palettes. Is this not super freaking cute, y'all? It's a huge Hello Kitty case, but it holds brushes. It's $49.99. They have some Morphe's Christmas theme palettes. Here are the colors. Those are really pretty. $16.99. They also have this Christmas theme single shadow set, and they have this huge brush set back here. Beauty Bliss. Okay, guys, this is huge. It has everything you will need. Brushes, sponges, beauty blenders, tweezers. This is $19.99. This would be a great Christmas gift for Amber vanilla sugar. This smells expensive, y'all. $16.99. This smells really good. This smells like money. Run and get you some of this. Listen Bing. I like this. I have some comfy pajamas and robes. So this is a Juicy Couture robe. I have this one as well. These are $19.99. I have a set of shorts for the rich. These are $12.99. Guys, check this out. This is colorful hot chocolate. Chocolate, is that not the cutest? I'm considering getting it. It's $6.99. Got the Barbie theme boba tea. This is $9.99. For all the tea girls, this looks very organic-y. This is $4.99, and they have different ones. Nighttime detox. They're all the same price. There are some really cute Christmas themed cups, guys. We're getting to the Christmas stuff. So these are $7.99. They come with straw toppers. Also comes in pink. They have the little mugs here to keep your drinks hot. They have a little Minnie Mouse theme cup here for $14.99. These bedazzled Santa cups. I've seen these at Home Goods. This is $19.99. You know we love cupcake and cashmere, so they have a holiday set of plates and cups. It's an 8-piece. These are $7.99. Nah, you can't get no cuter than this, y'all. Mommy and Me mug. Oh, how freaking cute is that? These are $12.99. I think I'm gonna get this. Before I go over to the Christmas stuff, I have to stop at the candles. They have a warm apple cider. It's okay. Not my favorite. This is a holiday candle. It's kind of cute. The style of it. It doesn't smell good. Martha Stewart always has the cutest candles. These are not meant to be burned. Christmas brunch. The price tag is screwed off, but I would never burn this. But this is so cute. I think it smells okay. I really can't tell, but freaking adorable. No, y'all go crazy for these Hello Kitty figurines. So look at this. $19.99. She's inside of a skate. Is that not cute? I really like the sign, Football Family in Fall. It's $6.99. I think that. Okay, guys, they have their wreaths and garlands out. Really nice. This one here with the pine cones. It's cute. The first blanket I noticed is this gingerbread. You know I love gingerbread, guys. Oh, this is so cute and soft. It's $24.99. Oh, look at this one. This is a different type of soft. Fluffy. $24.98. So they, of course, have your Mickey and Minnie as always. They're in their jammies. They're for $19.99. This is a cute, different little Christmas tree. Candy cane theme. $19.99. I have more in the back. Look at that cupcake and cashmere. That is so cute. How much is that? It's $24.99. Okay, for our Longhorn alumni or fans, they have some tumbler cups as ornaments. They're $7.99. It doesn't stop there, guys. They have hook 'em horns. This is $7.99. Here's a cute mug here. Christmas theme. $7.99. Have some cute little ornaments here. Harry Potter. $7.99. Star Wars, $7.99. Of course, they always have some cute salt and pepper shakers. These are all $7.99. We can't forget about our Cowboy fans. This is $16.99. This is cute. They have some holiday themed puzzles here. $9.99. This is small, but it's a cute little wreath here. $19.99. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about this tree. I think I don't like it, but if you like this, it's like feathers for $16.99. They have multiple, so if you want a whole set, you might want to run and get it now. I just love cupcake and cashmere's like vibe, because these are like the little green trees, but they are like a light fluffy green. It's cute, it's different. These are $7.99. Of course, Martha has some ornaments here. These are cute. Looks like they're velvet. The dark, just full red ones are velvet. It's more like burgundy. Cute though. $12.99. Here's some more Christmas candles. Now this one actually smells good. And it is $9.99. This smells pretty good. Spice eggnog. $9.99. This one is cinnamon milk. I'm not too crazy about this, but it's okay. Look at this huge candle. I mean, huge. Has different Christmas trees on it. I can't tell if it smells good or not, but this is $29.99. It's cute, Rachel Zoe. You can probably put it in your kitchen or your living room. Okay, this is overwhelming, but Holly Jolly Mommy, Holly Jolly Mini. That is cute. More Mommy and Me cups. These are $6.99. So they have plates. These are like real plates. I don't want to play with them too much, but they're the Grinch theme. This is like a little small one for, what did that say? This is a small one for $9.99. Have tablecloths down here. Let's see. We're just gonna get a range. These are napkins. They're about $14.99. $14.99 for the tablecloths. They even have dish drawing mats. These are $9.99. A nutcracker teapot. I do like these Grinch coasters. These are $7.99. Cute little kitchen towels for $12.99. Now here's some stockings. Isn't that cute? Super adorable. These are $24.99. So you can get a good view. $24.99. $16.99. Crochet. $19.99. These are all very nice. Look at these green ones. Has little Christmas trees on it. That's cute. $19.99. Okay, so they have a ton of holiday blankets. They range from pink to the traditional colors. They are just downright amazing. So I'm just going to pull out some that I think just stick out to me. It's cute. $24.99. And soft. I think I showed you guys this one. Very pretty. She also has these in peppermints. Oh, look at this one, guys. Cupcake and cashmere. Super cute, super soft, super festive. $24.99. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a beautiful red, really soft. $24.99. They have peppermints. This is so comfy. I like the edges here. They have a little design. I have Christmas tree skirts, guys. This is Rachel Zoe. This is very pretty. Look at that. That is pretty. $29.99. I have like peppermint lollipops on my tree. This would be so freaking cute. It's cute. Cupcake and cashmere. $29.99. Martha's back again with her luxury. This actually goes with those stockings over there. It's $24.99. And it's a large rug. That's what I like. It's a large circle peppermint for $16.99. Oh, look at the Grinch. Guys, this is an ornament. I've never seen this before. This is $16.99. Of course, they have Grinch mugs. These are $7.99. Santa, $4.99. Now, this Grinch mug comes with a top to keep your drink hot for $12.99. Oh, I like this, guys. This is like a glass jar. You can put anything you want in it, kitchen-wise or in your bathroom. This is $4.99. This little cute greenery, it says Mary. This is $29.99. These are cute and different, guys. These are pop-up greeting cards. And look at the little houses on top, little gingerbread house. These are $12.99. Of course, they have your little travel mugs here. Holiday theme for $4.99. It's cute with the little pups on it. These are some very pretty ornaments, guys. These are $12.99. These whole sets are $19.99. Rachel So. They go around. They have a ton of different kinds. So if you want a whole set, I would say come here first. Here's some Martha Stewart ornaments. See how they're just like so different? These are $16.99. Yeah, so if you're gonna decorate your tree and you wanna get new ornaments, come to TJ Maxx first. And I guarantee all your guests are gonna say, oh my God, your tree is so beautiful. Because they're not gonna have your ornaments. This is cute, $49.99. A little mailbox. That's letters to Santa. Here's a set of cookie cutters in different shapes. That's $6.99. Okay, here are the holiday quotes. Oh my gosh. When I say they're totally prepared for Christmas, I am not even joking. There's a lot of stuff back there. $24.99. Super cute, super soft. I love this. Some more decorative pillows for your living room, your couch, your bed. This snowman. He's so cute. $19.99. This is cute. $34.99. Here's some holiday comforter sets. Don't let me find a king size because I might get one. Look at this cute Tiana. It's $19.99. She has a little Christmas present. It's cute. These are huge pillows. Very soft. Mary, $19.99. Let It Snow. Quilt cake and cashmere. And they have these cute decor pillows. Candy canes. $24.99. You can do a paw print ornament for your pup. $4.99. So they have little houses here for your pup or your cat. It's a stack. So those actually come together. There's one $29.99. It looks like that, but they're open. So I'm assuming that's for your cat.